In this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a specific message in Slack the right way, so your conversations stay organized, clear, and easy to follow. If you work in teams, chances are your Slack channels can get busy really fast, and replying directly in the main chat can cause confusion. Using message replies properly helps keep discussions neat and ensures everyone knows exactly what you're responding to. I'll walk you through this step by step, even if you're completely new to Slack. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your web browser and navigate to the workspace you want to use. From there, go to the channel or space where the message you want to reply to is located. This could be a team channel, a project channel, or any shared space where conversations are happening. Take a moment to scroll through the messages and locate the exact message you want to reply to. Once you found it, move your mouse cursor over that message. When you hover over a message in Slack, you'll notice a small row of icons appear on the right side of the message. These icons give you different options, like reacting with an emoji or accessing more actions. Look for the speech bubble icon, which represents replying in a thread. Click on that speech bubble icon. As soon as you click it, a thread panel will open on the right side of your screen. This thread is directly connected to the original message, which means your reply will stay linked to it instead of cluttering the main channel. Now, in the thread panel, you'll see a text box at the bottom where you can type your reply. Click into that text box and type the message you want to send. You can write a short response, ask a question, or provide detailed information, just like you would in a normal Slack message. If you want, you can also add emojis, mentions, or formatting to your reply. Once you're happy with what you've written, it's time to send it. Click on the Send Now button, or simply press Enter on your keyboard. Your reply will instantly appear in the thread, clearly connected to the original message. Anyone who checks that message later can easily follow the conversation without getting lost. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully replied to a specific message in Slack using threads, helping keep your communication organized and professional. This is a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in busy workspaces. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.